All right, and this is the HiBoost Alley cell phone signal booster for your home. This thing comes with a 3-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you run into any installation issues, you can reach out to HiBoost app-based customer support or reach out to their support team. Support is available via live chat from their website, Facebook group, or a support call. This booster works for all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and more, and can boost up to 2,500 square footage. So nice. Also, look at how beautiful the design is on this thing. This is the signal booster with your outdoor and your indoor and your DC in port. And then you have your indoor and your outdoor cables. Comes with all 3 of these cables, which feel fantastic, super durable, and high quality indoor outdoor cables. Also, next up, we have the indoor panel antenna. This is the antenna that you install inside of your house. Same thing, comes with its own inside cable as well. Once again, super high quality and durable cable. Next up, we have our power supply, which comes with its wire and our waterproof tape. As you can see here, both sides, double-sided waterproof tape as well, which is very nice. And we also have our through window cable that you can run through your window, which you will need, and your outdoor antenna, same thing, built on the same high quality, durable as well. And here's everything you have that's included inside of the box. As you can see here, you also have all your accessories and brackets as well that you will need. So good. This thing comes with everything you can possibly need, and you have coverage up to 2,500 feet, automatic gain adjustment, 62 decibels gain, and supports multiple users, compatible with all US carriers, supports multiple bands, app support, after sales service as well, and it is FCC approved. Everything you can possibly need, you will have in this HiBoost Alley cell phone signal booster. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.